I am jumping right into this post with this most used line that not all things are meant to last. This is so true of my notebook fans. After some years of productive use, the built-in or internal fan of my notebook or laptop stopped working. Without a cooling unit, the computer becomes hot and slows down much more when I am using graphics program. So I bought a fan to cool down the notebook. The first fan I bought was made by Logitech. It had single fan, and it didn't take long before it died on me. When I purchased another, that was a unit with a double fan by Targos. It lasted a few months longer and then conked out too. Both fans were powered through USB connection plugged into the notebook. I next purchased a Vornado fan, a tiny one which had to be powered by plugging in direct to electrical source. I could say it is worth the money. I am still using it. I only have to clean it regularly for the cloud dust that accumulated. But even if it works silently, I had to turn it off when I am recording using a microphone. The only letdown with the Vornado is that it is not mobile and handy. This is why a handy notebook is a far cry from a sturdy desktop. The desktop has two reliable and dedicated fans. I am referring to my HP desktop, which had an operating system of Windows 8, which I later upgraded to Windows 10. It is my workhorse when recording voice-over tasks and editing videos. But sometimes I do edit videos with my notebook. That is why I really need a better performing cooling fan. Welcome to Sibanga 360 inMotion on this installment of unboxing. I ordered online a new notebook fan. Actually, I ordered 4. The package has arrived, so come on, join me here. I purchased 4 pieces of this UPAL USB 3.0 port and multi-angle adjustable. This is good for 15.6 computers. This is it. 2 fans, huge fans. Remove this first. Okay, let me see. Says that UPAL U-shaped circle, dual 140 mm fans or dual 140 mm fans, metal mesh panel, angle adjustable, and it has only one USB 3.0 port. It says deep cool UPAL notebook cooler. Four units I purchased. Got delivered. It says unique U-shaped magnet design to circularly cool your laptop fully. Dual 140 mm fans and metal mesh panel. Multi-angle adjustable and anti-slip design to offer up to maximum of 45 degrees supporting. USB 3.0 port to power a higher data transfer. Let's set up, and this is the cord. So let's now set up this thing. The back panel shows clearly the 2 fans, huge fans, plus 1 USB port and cord. This is one adjustable thing. There's a hole. So okay, I think this is how it will look like. I mean, I will get assembled. plus this one. Ooh, that's it. So this is how you look at the if you look at the back, it will be adjustable whether you just low enough, and the maximum height will be on this the 1 2 3 4 5 so I will only use the lowest. Let me see. So you can see in the front of the fan, there's a stop. So we'll test this on a 15.6 inches computer. Let's check. Okay, it worked. You see, the power is see. Let me turn it off. It's working. So let me set it up and show how. Okay, plug it into the USB port of my computer, one of my old computers, and it's because it's 15.6. So this is it. Okay, and place it on top. Just fit. It fits. Just on the right side, just a few, just a clearance. Good enough. It's working. Because this one, the fan of this HP computer is not working anymore. The installed fan, so I really need it for cooling. But I'm not using this anymore for my graphics, for my Adobe Photoshop, or for my making my videos. I just do this for my text, typing text and everything, or browsing. So this is a perfect. Put in the snug fit.